Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and ignore the background, this is just a corner of my room. And today I kind of want to try something different. I want to try a simple makeup look. I need to move my bangs out of my face. What the hell? Whatever. So yeah, I look weird as hell, but you need to ignore that. I'm gonna try a simple makeup look and it's called Ulzzang makeup. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it like correctly or something, but I think that's just how people pronounce it, like Ulzzang makeup. Ulzzang makeup is just like mix of salty and cute makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna like lighten my eyebrows because they're too thick for me to do anything, to do any kind of makeup look. I am doing makeup since I was a kid. I am still a kid, but that day was different. That was a different kid stage, you know. I'm gonna try my best to teach you because even though I don't know how to explain myself because my grammar is like really bad, you know. I am learning English from character. So the first thing we need to do is prep our face. It's simple, just wash your face, apply a toner or rose water. It's also a kind of toner, so you can apply rose water. Apply that and then you can apply a moisturizer or a primer or anything. Just cover your face. Or sunscreen, you can do that, but when it's day, not at night. So yeah, this is the first step you need to do if you're a beginner watching this. And yeah, the second thing you need to do is apply foundation. Of course, I'm gonna teach you how to apply foundation. For Ulzzang makeup, you need a lighter foundation because my face is already light, but we need a more light foundation. So I'm gonna steal my mom's because she's like 2 times more paler than me. So we're gonna steal her foundation. I don't have double chin. It's just like the shadow, okay? Next step is you need a mirror, unless you can just see what you're doing. We're gonna take foundation in my finger and I'm gonna make 2 simple dots, you know. Make sure the foundation is not too much or not too low. I'm gonna apply foundation on my eyes because I did not apply concealer. I just don't have it. Going to make a reference about Kung Fu Panda. I look like his sister. It's okay. Now you need to take a sponge like this. This is really ugly, just like me. Need to wet the sponge. I'm gonna hang the mirror here because, yeah. Take off the cap and then you need to wet the sponge. Not wet it too much or it's gonna suck all of your foundation. Now you need to gently start tapping the face like me. Okay, we have applied the foundation very gentle. And the next thing you need to do is lighten your eyebrows. I'm gonna take a blonde-like color and then I'm gonna start filling my eyebrows like this. Do your eyebrows like this, and now we're gonna move on to the contouring. Also make sure that your contouring is not way too dark or way too light. You just need to like make it a medium color. And now we're gonna move on to the blush. For blush, I'm gonna take this baby pink and apply it right under your eyes. Like this. This should be the color of the blush. Now you need to take a really light peach and like mid-brown eye color. Just a little bit. Not too much, just a little. Now we're gonna move on to the eyeliner. Make sure the eyeliner is really thin, not too big, okay? We're gonna take a little bit more darker brown and smudge it. Then you're gonna take a tiny little brush and then you're gonna take a really dark brown color. You need to apply it like this. Take the same color and apply it on your outer corners and like this. Take a really light skin color. We're gonna make it eye yourself. God. Now mascara. As you can see, that's how we look. I'm gonna take a white pencil. I'm gonna redraw the eyes out again. Now I'm gonna do my lips. And for Ulzzang makeup, we need a really matte lipstick, so I'm gonna go with this one. Lipstick is done, as you can see. That's how the makeup looks. I forgot to set my face with powder. I'm gonna take powder. With my hard work, I managed to find some bands, and I found some clips. Now I'm gonna brush my hair. They've got knots. I'm gonna make pigtail. It doesn't have any volume, like you see. I think if I go out like this, I'm gonna scare some kids today, even though it's not Halloween. Wow, it actually looks cute. And I don't look poor anymore, just like how I was looking in the start of the video. But I am poor, so please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, subscribe and like to my channel if you want, and if you don't want to, you can still do it for me, because I really wanted. I'm like a desperate YouTuber right now, but it's okay because I am desperate. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. You can subscribe to my channel.